Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix low voice in Android. If the voice volume on Android phone sounds too low during calls, media playback, or notifications, the issue may be caused by volume settings, audio enhancements, blocked speakers, or software glitches. A few troubleshooting steps can help restore normal sound levels. To begin, unlock your Android phone, then press the volume up button several times to ensure the volume is set to maximum. Then open the Settings app, tap Sounds and Vibration or just Sound. Increase the media, call, ring, and notification volume sliders. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off. Disconnect any connected Bluetooth headphones or speakers. Clean the speaker openings carefully using a soft brush or dry cloth. Then remove any phone case or accessory that may be blocking the speakers. Check whether mono audio, hearing enhancements, or audio accessibility settings are affecting sound output. Now open the music or video app and test the audio volume. Restart your phone to refresh the system. Check for available software updates and install them if available. Now, if the sound remains very low, contact your device's manufacturer support service or have the speakers inspected for hardware damage. Additional tips: keep your phone speakers free from dust and debris, and avoid exposing the device to water or moisture. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.